Baby, what we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
What's that?
Love, what is love? Would you believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just be mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. Just don't get me high enough. All these people always lying about something. Sorry, I'm so fly, so what?
Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for that.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. At what cost?
Hit Mercedes, bought some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Or am I the soundless how this shit goes? That's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the hell. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. You said it's gonna even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait, you know I won't do that.
I'm sorry I said that.
Change shit with my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Is your blood? And what we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
What's that?
What is love? And what we see ain't what it seems for this girl. What is love?
It's different when I'm sitting there alone all by myself. It's different when I think you might be with somebody. It's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different, it's different. This shit.
Fly away, fly, fly, fly away. I'm in prison, yeah, yeah. Straight out the trenches, yeah, yeah. My niggas can't whip me, yeah, yeah. The richest, the richest, the richest, yeah. Rich nigga house on six, yeah. All of these hoes came with it, yeah. All them other niggas can't beat it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I try to fight temptation, yeah. Top gun is on vacation, yeah. I'm not trying to hurt nobody. Count up the urges, I promise some patience. Give you some gain, that's slow motivation. We need the gas, head in the base. Switch up the swag, switch up the band. Nigga, they jacking my swag cause it's fashion. I do it bigger than niggas.
Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, y'all. And please don't forget to check out this wig. It will be down in the description down below, y'all. Like I said, this is an absolutely amazing wig. It was easy to maintain. It's curly hair, so it's easy to maintain. Like I said, it was easy to install. The only thing I did was pluck. Previously I was gonna bleach the knots, but as y'all can see, it even didn't need anything to be bleached, y'all can just use your color foundation, put it on the wig, put it on, and y'all be good to go, y'all. So yeah, I hope y'all guys enjoyed, and I'll catch y'all in my next video.